All right, guys, just wrapped up this 2024 2500 HD. This one came to us out of Pennsylvania. It's got a 4-inch Cognito Performance Series lift, 37 1250 20 Toyo AT3s. Always get the question if wheel spacers are needed on this setup, and they are not. Very minor trimming to the corner of the bumper here. As you can see right through here, your lower valence, and then a little bit of your inner liner right through here. Even though this one has the oversized rear mud flaps, there's no trimming required on that either. I see these mud flaps are more common from the trucks that come from up north. Now, being the Performance Series, you're gonna get your Cognito upper control arms, your Fox Resi shocks. Now the Resi can be mounted on the body, or we can add in a different upper mount to actually mount the Resi up here on top of the shock tower. I'm using a different camera today, using the new iPhone as opposed to the DJI Pocket 3, so y'all let me know which one you like better. This one's definitely got a little bit more zoomed in, so it's not as wide of an angle. As on all the Cognito kits, you've got your one-piece split skid plate design there. Really nice CV axle angles. Let's see if I can get you in here to see the Pitman and idler arm braces. There's your idler arm, and see if it'll focus in on your Pitman arm. There you go. Really like this red color as well. Nice, bright. The silver wheels I don't think we've done yet, at least not on this color combo. Now this truck, it just got a recent undercoating. Something they do up north to prevent the salt from damaging the truck. Us being in the south, we're not used to dealing with that, and that stuff is messy. It gets everywhere. Now this is going to be 4 in the front and 2 in the back. Says it perfectly level. You got the Fox 2.0 Resi shocks in the rear as well. Again, you got 2-inch rear blocks, bump stop extension, and then you got a brake line bracket way up there. And just relocate your line down so that you've got plenty of slack. And like I mentioned, this camera we're trying today is zoomed in just a little bit more. It's not as wide up an angle as what we've been shooting with. I know it does have a wider lens option, but it's a little bit too wide. Try that and see what that looks like. Yeah, it's a little too wide for my liking anyways. This thing turned out real nice. Rides and drives perfect. All right, guys. That is going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.